You can perform wireless radio flash shooting in the following shooting modes: Program Auto, Aperture and Shutter Priority, and Manual Exposure. Make sure that the camera's flash mode is set to wireless. Firmly insert the commander's foot all the way into the shoe on the camera. Firmly turn the lock lever to lock to secure the commander. Turn on the commander, press the menu button, select Pairing, then Add, and press the Center button. The link lamp on the commander will flash in green. Ensure that the wireless radio receiver is turned off, and then press and hold the on-off button on the receiver for at least 7 seconds. When pairing is finished, the link lamp on the receiver will light up in green. If you want to pair the commander with 2 or more receivers, repeat the previous steps. When you have finished pairing, press the center button. Pairing will end and the link lamp on the device will light up in green. You can divide paired receivers in a maximum of 5 groups and set the flash shooting mode or power level for each group. You can choose how to set the group by switching the status of the remote lamp on the receiver. When you press and hold the group button on the receiver for 2 seconds or more, the remote lamp will either light up or turn off. When the remote lamp is lit, you can change the group of the receiver by pressing the menu button and then Receiver Set on the commander. When the remote lamp is off, you can change the group of the receiver by repeatedly pressing the group button on the receiver. To change the flash shooting mode and flash settings, press the FN button. Set the cursor on the flash shooting mode or another item such as flash ratio using the button on the control wheel and then select the desired mode by turning the wheel. You can choose from among TTL, Group, Manual and Release. In TTL mode, you can divide 15 receivers into up to 3 groups. The flash level is set automatically, but you can set the lighting ratio for each group. The flash compensation will affect the global output of light. With Group, the flash mode is set for each group, while groups D and E are locked to manual. You can divide receivers into up to 5 groups in this mode. Choose Manual and the flash level is set manually. You can divide receivers into up to 3 groups. Commander and receiver units have sync terminals and can be connected to professional studio flashes. The sync terminal on the receiver enables wireless shooting and provides flexibility when positioning flashes. The sync terminal on the commander provides a solution to connect with studio flash equipment directly from camera for synchronization by wire.